Let me show you how to turn on your mini drone. So you see on the drone over here you have this button, and all you'll do is simply press and hold this button for a few seconds. It will move around the camera to test itself, and then it's on. And if you want to pair, basically, so to turn on your remote, simply do it like this, and then simply up and down, and that pairs basically the remote with the drone, and we can start flying the drone if you want to. Also, by the way, this remote also needs a battery, so again, it doesn't come with batteries. It uses 3 AAA batteries, so again, make sure you actually have them in. And also, when it comes to the battery on this drone, also if it's not like turning on, also obviously try to charge, because the battery is quite fussy actually on this drone. It's actually not fully charged to the maximum. It often doesn't even like turn on. So again, so if you maybe just received this drone and it's not turning on, simply again literally leave your battery on the charger for like 1.5 hours. Also, it takes mega long to charge, and you should see a red light over here, basically that gets illuminated. And once it's finishes charging, basically that red light will actually go off. So again, make sure you see the red light. If you actually do not see the red light over here when it charges, so if I can maybe show you. Okay, I will grab my charger, so you see this type of red light over here, and once it finishes, basically it's done. But if you actually do not see this red light, simply try another adapter, because this battery charging is very fussy. It simply doesn't work actually with most adapters I tried, so only with some random adapters that I tried actually it worked. So yeah, maybe that is your problem with this drone. Anyway, good luck.